guys, welcome back. How you doing? This is me Varsha along with my partner Mayur and my friend Amit, and we are heading to Manali. We left from Barsani around 2:30 and it's around 7:30. In half an hour we should be touching Manali. It was raining in Manali, so we just had our dinner nearby at Snowflakes and called it a night. This is day 2 in Manali, and let me take you to my home tour, and this I have booked from Airbnb. This is 2-floor building. That's first floor. But we are staying at second floor in this beautiful white and blue themed house. It has 2 bedrooms, 1 upper deck, 1 balcony, 1 living room and dining space to stay. I know this is huge for 3 people. I have 2 favorites in this house. One is this fireplace and the second one is the upper deck. This is the one. I just love this bedroom. I'm definitely spending the night here. Also, there is very nice collection of photographs. I guess that's done by Siddharth, the host of the house. And this view from the balcony. Come on, let's go. It's time to explore the old Manali. Looks like it's gonna rain today. We are feeling super cold. Right now, it's below 1 degree.
How's the Josh guys? Is it?
एक्चुअली हम लोग अटल टनल जाना चाह रहे थे आज, बट बिकॉज ऑफ रेन एंड द स्नो वो बंद है, एंड देन वी हैड टू पिक ओल्ड मनाली. हियर आर सम कूल कैफेज फ्रॉम ओल्ड मनाली. You will find different world cuisines here, from Tibetan to Mexican to continental. पर हमने ये यूनिवर्स कैफे पिक किया बिकॉज इट हैज़ अ रूफ टॉप. इट्स ऑलमोस्ट drizzling, but we want to sit in an open space.
Hi guys.
Mayur and Amit, they have picked local wine from the market and they can also have it here. And I'm gonna hog on this Maggie. Delicious, that's the word.
I'm feeling super drunk and super happy.
I guess there is.
It's still raining outside, so we decided to sit in a closed place. So we came to Drifters. And it's full pack here.
Show me your move.
Very cool place. As far as it looks like. And we'll give you the review after the food. But it is really happening, good place, and it's cozy as well. And after so much wine, this guy is having cold coffee. But food is good here. You can't miss shopping in Old Manali.
ये कितने का है?
650.
How much is saying the pants?
450.
We are getting our dinner as parcel. Because of COVID situation, all the shops they get closed early, around 8:30, 9ish. At the center of the Manali, you'll find this Mall Road, which is the most famous tourist place. This is one of the biggest shopping market in Manali, and you will also find here Tibetan clubs.
कितने आते हैं प्लेट्स में?
25 pieces.
वाओ. हाफ प्लेट दे दो.
और हाँ.
क्या नाम है तुम्हारा?
Piyush.
पीयूष.
Yes.
Thank you, Piyush.
So having dessert before dinner is another fun. अभी तक बारिश हो रही है. I hope कल सुबह ना हो. Morning people, this is day 3 in Manali. And before leaving, we thought of capturing some beautiful memories in this beautiful house. We are going to Nagar Castle.
So apparently the way from Manali to Nagar Castle is really good. That's what Amit told me. So let's see how far is that correct. The weather is playing hide and seek with us. It was raining in the morning. Again the sun came up. And now it's little cloudy. It's not raining right now. But we are just hoping that there's little sunlight while we reach Nagar. So that we can enjoy the castle over there.
Indeed, the Nagar road is really beautiful. I guess I'm gonna come back and definitely spend some time here. Ooh, I'm loving it. And here we are. Nagar Castle is sitting on the edge of a cliff-like formation, made entirely of stone and wood with local architect technique called Kathakuni. This castle has many unique features. No nails or iron has been used in this construction. This is Jagatipat temple, believed to be the seat of Kullu gods. This castle was converted into a rest house 100 years back. Hi! 3 of us are exploring this castle separately. और ऐसे ही चलते चलते हम लोग एक दूसरे को मिल रहे हैं क्योंकि एक जगह पहुंचने के बहुत सारे रास्ते हैं.
What's happening?
In the year 1978, this ancient building was handed over to Himachal Pradesh Tourism to run this as a heritage hotel. The views, I'm just speechless. I don't think the videos can do any justice to it. If you're anytime coming to Manali, please do come to Nagar Castle. And I'm sure you're gonna love it. So there is this in-house restaurant also, and we had our lunch here only. So ये कैसल कुल्लू के राजा सिद्ध सिंह ने 1460 AD में बनवाया था. And now this is a heritage hotel.
We are having awesome time in this castle, clicking so many pictures. This place is really beautiful because obviously it's such an old place.
This is one of the room of the hotel, but these are all locked out. Wait a minute, it's time to capture some good memories. और जैसा कि मैंने कहा था, we found ourselves in the mid of this small jungle. And these trees, they are really old. Almost like 100 years old. These are famous deodar trees. क्या हम इन्हें घर लेके जा सकते हैं? It's almost 5:36 right now and we are heading to Old Manali again for some shopping. Guys, local Manali में जो हम ये कैब यूज़ कर रहे हैं, ये हमने हमारे केयर टेकर के बेटे से हायर पे ली है. Oh, that's an yak. One of the very famous bakeries in Old Manali.
Pineapple juice.
You are having pineapple juice in this cold weather.
It is very good for health. Like really good for health.
I don't care about health. मैंने सुबह से सुसु नहीं की तो मुझे कुछ तो पीना था.
और हमने आज भी अपना डिनर मॉल रोड से ही पार्सल ले लिया और सम गुड केक फ्रॉम दैट एवरग्रीन कैफे. ऐसे मौसम में ये फायर प्लेस, ऊपर से हमारे ट्रिप की ये आखिरी रात, ये रात छोटी पड़ने वाली है.
Almost end to our trip. Buddy, Amit is ready, and so is Mayur, and so are our bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
उफ, ये व्यूज मुझे जाने नहीं देंगे. 7 a.m. guys, and we have an evening flight from Chandigarh airport.
And it's time to say goodbye to our dear friend Amit.
It's been a long journey.
Yes. We miss you. And Amit has promised that soon he'll be in Mumbai.
Yeah, and we are going to Bangkok.
Yeah,
We are going to Philippines. We are going to Philippines.
That's all gonna be cut. Bye. And bye.
Chalo ji.
This was a very different trip. One of the most memorable, I guess. It was a daredevil task for him. But did you enjoy it?
Born and brought up in Mumbai, so can't handle cold, but it's amazing experience with Varsha and Amit, I love you so much. I miss you so much. You're the best host.
Yes. End our video. I hope you guys liked our video. Please comment what did you like more or what do you want to see, and please share, like and subscribe so that we can make more videos for you. And every day, whatever makes you so happy, do that.
And hang in guys, we are trying to post more frequently. And coming soon is our Goa vlog.